This doesn't even make any sense, right? Drives are installed, the cable's attached. Why will you not take the paper? Take it, it's there, in a tray there. Take the... It's not even picking it up, the rollers are going round. But pick up the freaking paper. Print shit. Got to go out. This is ridiculous. I want this done for to fucking take the fucking paper. It's not even coming out the top. There's nothing going on. Saying no paper. There's a whole bloody ream of it. Fucking Lexmark shit. Take the paper. Good grief. It's supposed to be fucking easy share. What, like, fucking take the fucking paper. Oh!